Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I'm doing one of my favorite comfort foods. It's like rainy and dreary and cold here today. Cold for us, it's like 45. Anyway, this is one of my favorites for cold weather. It's corn chowder, and a patient of mine, Colleen May, gave me this recipe years ago, and I love it. And you know, the nice thing about recipes like this is you can kind of add a little bit and make it your own. That's what I'm doing. I'll post a picture of the recipe that she gave me, and I start with that basic recipe, but I'm going to add a little bit different things today. But the basic recipe is 1 pint of half and half, 2 large cans of cream corn. I'm going to use 3 today. I'm going to do a little bit more. Anyway, 1 large onion, or 1 medium to large onion, whatever you like. Cut that up, saute it in 1/4 cup of butter, which I've already done. I added garlic to mine, just a little bit, like 2 little cloves. And then you put it all together with a pack of ham that's chopped, or you can use leftover ham from Thanksgiving, which would be great, and put that in there. But what I've done is I'm going to add my everything together in my crock pot and cook it that way, so it kind of low and slow all day, and all those flavors marry up. So I've already sauteed my onion in the butter and the garlic, and literally I'm just going to dump everything else in there. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I don't know if you can see me or if that really matters, but anyway, I'm going to add like a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to eyeball that. And I like smoked paprika. I'm going to put just a little bit of that in there as well. Totally up to you. Just gives it a little bit of that smoky flavor. I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon. That should do it. And then I'm going to add my corn. I'm going to do, like I said, 3 cans of cream corn. I'm going to stretch my recipe just a little bit. Perfect for these dreary days and cold, I think. Shoot, I didn't get that one all the way open. Let's try that again. And I'm going to add 1 can of cubed potatoes to mine as well, just to give it a little more substance. Give that a little stir. And then I'm going to add in my 1 pint of half and half. And I'm going to add in my ham chunks. And then I'm going to cover this and let it cook on low until supper time, which will be about 6.5 hours. That should be about right for us. And you could put bacon in here too, but I like the ham in it. I'm going to give that a little stir. And I serve mine with tortilla chips crunched up over top of it with a little bit of cheddar cheese as well. And delicious. Delicious. So that's how I'm doing my corn chowder today. I hope everyone's having a great day. Make it a great day, and try, if you want to try something that just is great for this cooler weather, I highly recommend this. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, corn chowder.